It's wet.
Is that Patrick's voice?
Yeah.
It's fun. The way he says it.
I don't, there's nothing. You guys were really good for doing that.
Sure, do you help with that?
You gonna say goodbye, because we're gonna leave this for, what's that?
What did it say?
You not want us to leave in here? You go ahead and leave in here?
She likes Travis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's 21. She's young.
I know.
It's been 100 years or so since she's gotten any.
She probably never got any. She was 21 years old living at home, for God's sake, back in them days.
Yeah, right. They were banging it like 12.
Oh, she hit the button.
Oh, I did? I thought that totally stirred her up. Okay.